Hello guys, welcome to Ramta Solutions. Today we are looking at unit conversions. We are going to help you to be able to convert between kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, and all this. We will be helping you to convert between them with ease. Okay, so to be able to do that, we are going to use this scale here. So this scale here, in case sometimes you forget what comes before what, you can just say King Henry died Monday drinking chocolate milk. Okay, King Henry died Monday drinking chocolate milk. So you wondering why some letters are in red and some are in black, and why this Monday is underlined. I will tell you now. For the word king, I have underlined, rather I have written K in black because this is kilo, right? And the Henry, I wrote H in black. So this is hecto. The died, and be careful, I spelled died with DA, not DIED. So it's DA because I want you to know that it is DA for deca. Okay, for deca. I will explain why I wrote this Monday in black and underlined it. Okay, now we have drinking. The D is black. This stands for deci. For the chocolate, the C is centi. For the milk, the M is milli. So when you look at the scale, you have kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. Okay, so the reason I wrote the Monday in black is because it can change. Let me show you. Let's go to our scale now. So we had kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, and then we have decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. So the reason I wrote Monday in black and underlined it, it's because it can change where you will have L or you will have G. So in other words, this is where you will be having kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, deciliter, centiliter, milliliter. You can also have kilogram, hectogram, decagram, decigram, centigram, milligram. Okay, milligram. So now we have said, as you can see, in between these units, I have put, when I move from left to right, I have put times 10. So what we're saying is that from kilometer to hectometer, you multiply by 10. From kilometer to decameter, you'll be multiplying by 10, multiplying by 10. So this will be 10 times 10 is 100. From decameter to meter, it's still 10. Now imagine if you are moving from kilometer to meter, you will be multiplying by times 10, times 10, times 10, which is 10 times 10 times 10, 3 times, right? So this will be 1,000. Okay, but we're going to look at it properly and in a neater way. So I can now erase this, right? So you guys now have an idea. You understand why I had underlined that M, because it can change. Okay, now we are saying, when we move to the right, we multiply by 10 throughout, right? We multiply by 10 throughout. we multiply by 10. Now, when we move to the left, we divide by 10. Okay, when we move to the left, we divide by 10. Okay, when we move to the left, we divide by 10. So if I were to move from millimeter to decimeter, I will say divide by 10, divide by 100, right? Because this is first 10, second 10, so this is 100. Okay, so let's do an example to help you understand this. So as examples, let's say convert 0.0028 kilograms to grams. Number 2, 125,000 milliliters to liter. Number 3, 50,000 centimeters to kilometer, right? Okay, so let's get into it. Now, our solutions for number 1, we said we are converting 0.0028 kilograms to grams, isn't it? To grams. So let's imagine this. We will say, remember now, we are saying in place of M, we are putting G, right? In place of this second letter M, we are putting G, all right? We are putting G. So it's like you are seeing kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, milligram, right? So now, or maybe let me just write it here: kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, and milligram. So here we are saying we are moving from kilogram to gram. When you look at it, let's see, it's multiplied by 10, multiplied by another 10, another 10. So this is basically multiplied by 10, multiplied by 100, multiplied by 1,000, right? So from left to right, you multiply by 10. So what we're saying is that 0.0028 kilograms is equal to 0.0028 multiplied by 1. How many steps are here? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Now what is your answer? Your answer must be 0.28. Let's confirm 0.0028 multiplied by 1,000. Okay, it's 2.8. Okay, your answer is 2.8 grams. You guys see it now? Your answer is 2.8 grams. Okay, 2.8 grams. That's your answer. Right, let's try number 2. So number 2, we had 125,000 milliliters to liter. So we don't have to draw that scale again. Remember, I said in place of M, you are putting G. Now you will put L. So maybe let me draw it again. Yeah, doesn't kill, right? So we have kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter, centiliter, and milliliter. Now we are moving from milliliter to liter. So let's see. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Because we are moving to the left, we will divide. Now 125,000 1,000 milliliters is equal to 125,000, right? Not 120, yeah, 125,000 divided by 1. How many steps are here? From here, so we start with, this is our starting point, so this is 1, 2, 3. So we divide by 1,000. What is our answer? It's 125 liters, not milli. 125 liters. You see, now we have converted. Let me confirm my calculations. Okay, it's 125, right? Now it's fine. You guys understand now, right? Great. Now let's go to the final one. Number 3, we said 50,000 centimeters to kilometer. So 50,000 centimeters is equal to 50,000. Now the kilometer scale, where is it? Okay, let me use the one in the opening slide. So we're moving from centimeter, this is centi, we're going to kilo. So we're going to say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5. So this will be divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? It'll be divided by 100,000. So what is our answer now? Oh, it's half. Our answer is 0.5 kilometers. Right? So what this means is that in a centimeter, basically, rather, a kilometer has 100,000 centimeters. Okay? So guys, this is how you do it. Remember, when you move from the right, rather from the left to the right, you multiply. Every step you move is a 10, so you multiply by 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, and so on. Right? So this is times 10, times 10, times 10, times 10, times 10. How many are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you were to convert from kilometer to millimeter, you will multiply by a million, 1 and 6 zeros, so it's a million, right? And if you were to move from millimeter to kilometer, you will divide by a million. In the same way, if you were to move from meter to kilometer, you will divide by 1, 2, 3. You will divide by 1,000. The same applies to when you're using kilograms, grams, centigrams, milligrams, milliliters, kiloliters, and so on, right? It does not change. Remember, the scale is to help you that this M here, the scale is to help you that this M here can change. Basically, it varies from meter, liter, and gram, right? And gram. Alright guys, with that being said, it's a wrap. See you next time, and bye bye.